Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 18. This lesson we're talking about being able to model subtraction of 8 from teen numbers. So looking at this, we have 14 minus 8. So first thing we need to know, do we know the whole? Well, yes, we know that when we know the whole whenever we have subtractions in it because the whole is first right here. It's your whole minus your part equals your other part. So yes, we do know our whole. So now we're going to break apart this number the say 10 way. So we're going to break apart that whole the 10 way. So we know 14 is 10, 4. Now we're going to draw those parts. So we're going to draw 10 and 4. I'm going to box in 10. Then I'm going to take 8, which is how many it says, taking the numbers in it. It's 8 from 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to circle what's left. Now I have 2 inside the box plus 4 outside the box. So 2 plus 4 equals what? 2 plus 4 equals 6. So 14 minus 8 equals 6. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.